What's up, guys? It's your girl Virgo Queen T, and I'm back with a quick Carbang, y'all. I just got me some lunch at work. Got me just a half a sub. I'm not too hungry. My stomach is a little unsettled today, but I just got me a meatball sub with shredded cheese and a little lettuce. You guys can see that. So you guys want to bite? You guys will take a bite. So yeah, that is what I'm having for lunch today. Like I said, my stomach is really kind of unsettled. Yum. And I have me a Baja Blast. I buy these from Walmart and I just have one every day for work. Because what's the point of keep spending money on drinks when I can get a 6 to 8 pack and have one every day? Right? Smart, right? Oh my goodness, that is delicious. Yeah, so I'm on my lunch break. That's delicious. And I just thought I might as well mukbang this, because why not? Hold on, y'all, because this is a little humid. And I can't do it. No, ma'am. So, yeah. This is really good, guys. It's flavored really well with the shredded cheese and the lettuce and the combo of the meatball. Yum. That is delicious. I don't want to put too much on it because, like I said, my stomach is a little unsettled today. And I didn't want too much. I think the only mistake I made is that I should have got that toasted. I wasn't thinking. I told her not to toast it, but that air might be too loud. Yeah, whatever. But it's really good. This is super cold. I keep it in the fridge at work. And you'll see how this tastes. Y'all want some of this? Nice and cold. Wow. That is so good. Oh my goodness. So, what y'all eating for lunch today? I hope you guys are eating something delicious. Because these meatballs on this sub is everything. And you know, I usually don't eat meatball subs, but for some reason today it just sparked my attention. I usually only eat the chicken, the grilled chicken with lettuce, tomato, onions, lots of onions, chipotle, ranch, a little honey mustard, lettuce, tomato, all that good stuff. I usually have that same foot long, but I couldn't do it today. And I can eat a foot long, y'all. I can eat a foot long. Don't judge me. I can eat a foot long. I can take it down. But, you know, I'm not that hungry. So I was like, let me get a meatball sub. Maybe it's a little bit lighter than, you know, what I normally get. And that's how that came about. And it's super good. I haven't had a meatball sub in years. Oh my goodness. I know it looks so good in cold, y'all. It is. Oh my God, this Baja Blast is so good. So, I'm ready to go home, y'all. I've already accomplished a lot of work today. I'm gonna go home and make me a seafood boil. Well, not really a seafood boil, a shrimp boil. Just with some shrimp and corn and maybe some sausage and some red potatoes. Cause that's what I've been craving. Maybe that's why I'm not hungry, because I've been wanting that. The meatball just came out, y'all. I'm sorry. The meatball just came out of there, so I had to like kind of get down with that. That was so delicious. Yeah, so that was good, y'all. Oh, I forgot my macadamia cookie. I knew something was missing. Damn it. I'm not driving back either. I left my cookie. Oh well. I'm full anyway. Yeah, I really. That's why I ate this up so fast so I could eat my cookie and shit and put it in the bag. Damn it. So yeah, y'all. This is what I normally do on my work break. I don't like to eat inside all the time unless I'm just trying to be a super civilian that day. But most of the time I come and I park under a nice tree. I roll down my windows. I get some fresh air. And we have hour breaks. So we have a long break. Oh, excuse me, y'all. We have hour breaks, so we have really long breaks. So I actually get to take an hour and just chill and relax. And, you know, we stand up on our feet all day. And I really get a chance to relax my feet. And then the thing about that is I be wanting to go home so bad afterwards, because you sit here for an hour and you just want to get home after that. Like, nobody wants to go back into work after that. And then you're full, and I just be wanting to go take a nap. This bird just keep coming around. But yeah, so this is what I do on my break. A lot of the times I cook a lot. Because I like to bring my food to work. But I didn't cook yesterday because I worked last night, so I wasn't able to cook and bring my lunch yesterday. So I try to cook a lot so the next day I have lunch. It's just smart, you know, instead of being out here spending all this money on lunch all the time. Like, who wants to do that? I'm all about trying to save $1. Only reason why I got that today, y'all, is because, like I said, I didn't cook, so I didn't pack a lunch. If I would have packed a lunch, I would have definitely showed you guys what I cooked, or you would have seen from the previous video what I cooked if I recorded it. And usually that's my lunch, and I make me a big nice plate and grab me a drink. Like I said, I buy these by the pack, 6 to 8, $2.53, and I have one for every single day. And at work, we're only allowed to have water unless we're on our breaks or whatever. So I always bring this, and I bring one water, and I literally have a drawer at work full of waters because I constantly bring one every day, and sometimes I drink it, sometimes I don't. So, but just in case, I'll never be thirsty. Just know that. But yeah, so I think it's smart. So I pack my lunch, whatever I cook or whatever I grab out of my freezer, that's my lunch. I grab one of these for my drink. Instead of, you think about it, you're paying maybe $1 and some change for these every day. Why do that when you can just, sorry y'all, the branches flying from the trees. Grab a 6-pack for $3 and you're saving about $2 or $3 from buying one of these every single day. So that was just a quick mukbang for you guys, or Carbang, or whatever you want to call it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you again next video.